Hello everyone. Let's begin our today's English class. We are proceeding with chapter 14 and the topic is reported speech. We have gone through the explanation how to make use of reported speech and the types and the rules of pronouns as well. So here we are with exercise number 14.1. In our previous lecture we have read how to make use of pronouns, and in this exercise we will get a good practice of to make use of changing pronouns. Convert the following sentences into indirect speech. First sentence is Apurva said to me, comma inverted commas begin, I have submitted your assignments. Now let's see. Apurva told me. Said to will be converted into told. Apurva told me that. Now class, notice that here first person pronoun is given and first person pronoun will get changed according to the subject. Now at the place of Apurva we will make use of pronoun she. Have will be converted into had. Submitted. Now your is given. Your. We won't go with she है तो हर लगा दिया. No, here your is given and your is the second person pronoun and it will be changed according to the object. So object is me. So here you will use the pronoun my assignments. So let's write it here. Apurva told me. Apurva told me that she had submitted my assignments. You can manage the space as well. The next is you said to her, I am not well today. So we see that you told her that. Now pay attention that here we are having first person pronoun and it will go with subject. That you were, am will be changed according to here we will go with was were. So with you we will apply the helping verb were. That you were not well. Now class, be alert. Today will be converted into that day. So you have to change this also. Otherwise your sentence will be wrong. The third sentence is Manika said to Kapil, you have torn my book. Now Manika told Kapil that. Here you is given second person pronoun, so it will go with the object. Object is the listener, जिससे बात की जा रही है. मनिका ने किससे बात की है? कपिल से. You will go with object. Kapil that. For Kapil what do? We will go with the pronoun he. That he had torn her. Here my is applied. So my relates to first person pronoun and first person is here subject is Manika. So first person pronoun will go with subject. So torn her. My is given here, my book. So we will apply at the place of Manika, torn her book. Okay. Next is I said to Rishita, you will soon adjust. Here now I told Rishita R will be capital, it is a proper noun. Rishita that. Now tell me changes. You will go with object. Object is Rishita. So we will go with she. That she. Now will be converted into would. That she would. That she would soon adjust. Here will convert it into there. That she will soon adjust there. At number 5 we are having, they said to us, you have helped us a lot. Now we see that reporting verb is in past tense, so the changes will take place. Class, first of all you have to check this reporting verb. After reading the complete sentence, just go for the reporting verb. Now it is in past tense, so let us go for the changes. They told us that. Now you will go for us and it will become we, and have will go with has, have will go with had, because present will go with past, present perfect will go with past perfect tense. That we had helped. Now again us is given. So it is first person pronoun and it will go with the subject. That he had helped them. They will become them a lot. Minor changes are there, but that's the meaning. So we will learn a lot while sorting out these minor changes. Okay. Next is, Ananya said to Akshat, I will complete this picture. Now we will write, Ananya told Akshat. So we have written it. Anaya, it's Anaya. Anaya told Akshat that. Now I will go with Anaya. So she is a girl. That she will be changed according to the tense would in past tense. She would complete. This will convert into that picture. The teacher said to us, you can do even better. Here the teacher told us that. Now you will go with us, so it will become we. That we can will convert into could. That we could do even better. Here no other change implies. Okay, you, that we could do even better. You will go with object and object is us, that relates to we. She said, I am feeling better today. She said that. Now I will go with she. That she, and am will change according to is, am, are will change according to was, were. That she was feeling better today will convert into that day. So class, this was your exercise number 14.1. I hope you have much understanding of the exercise. Just keep on learning and keep on serving. Thank you class. Good.